If you've ever wondered how to make all photos the same length in CapCut, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the fastest way to change CapCut's default image duration so every photo you import automatically uses the exact same length. This is perfect if you're building slideshows, short-form edits, reels, or any project where you want every image to stay consistent without adjusting each one manually. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple CapCut tutorials just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open CapCut and look at the top menu bar or the main dashboard. You want to find the settings option, which is usually shown with a gear icon. Click that gear icon to open the drop-down menu and then select settings from the list. Once the settings window opens, look across the top and click on the edit tab. This is where CapCut keeps a lot of your timeline and editing preferences, including the setting for how long images stay on screen by default. Now scroll or look through the options until you find image duration. This is the setting that controls how long every photo lasts when you bring it into your timeline. Click into the duration box and type in the exact length you want. You can enter the time in seconds or, depending on your version, use frames if that's how you prefer to edit. For example, if you want every image to stay on screen for 3 seconds, set the image duration to 3 seconds. If you want a faster paced edit, choose a shorter duration. If you want a slower slideshow, choose a longer one. The key is that once this setting is changed, CapCut will use that same duration for every photo you import from that point forward. After you've entered your preferred image duration, click Save to apply the changes. This step is important because it locks in your new default setting. Now go back to your project and drag in a photo. You'll see that CapCut automatically gives it the exact same length you set in the settings. Import another photo and it will match too. That means no more dragging edges, no more fixing each photo one by one, and no more wasting time trying to make clips line up manually. This is a small change, but it can save a huge amount of editing time, especially if you work with a lot of photos in your videos. If your goal is speed, consistency, and a cleaner workflow, this setting is definitely worth changing. And if you found this useful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next CapCut tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.